Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Justy and I have got a brand new outfit on. Well, brand new isn't, I've never quartered the dress before, not brand new, I just got the dress. But anyways, yes, I have not worn this look on camera before. So tell me what you think. Do you like the cord? I mean, you can't see the bottom, so you're just judging off the top. But I think that's good enough. I promised I'd be working on keeping up just as much Lolita content as last year, and so far we're succeeding, as the second video of the year is an unboxing. I am pretty stoked about this one, which I guess I say about all of them, but you know what? I'm always stoked. I love Lolita items. What can I say? So here she is. Here is our package. I obviously, when I ordered this, forgot to do the by boat, what is it? E-packet. Not e-packet, to do the one level up, which has been a little bit more expensive, but not that much in this current climate, and honestly saves me so much time. But anyways, I forgot it. So this has literally taken months and months. It definitely was ordered, I'm pretty sure, before September. And here we are. But that's all right. Sometimes you gotta wait and you gotta do your best. And now in January, I have a fun new dress to look at. So really, I can't actually be upset. It's like delayed shopping. Let's get them open. I'm so excited. I did not bring scissors, so we're just gonna have to make do. Everything is sticky. So this is a Diamond Honey dress, a Taobao brand that I've heard pretty good things overall about, so I thought I'd give it a try. It was specifically selected to hopefully match some tiaras I've come to possess in my birthday month. And you know, I thought having more things to do with them would be better than just for my birthday. So the idea this would be kind of more regally princessy-ish, I'm hoping, so they'll look good with it. So we'll test them out together in a bit. But first, let's get this second layer open. Now we got two separate packages. Let's start with this one. Okay. This is the dress itself. So we have this very light white JSK. The fabric has a bit of a shimmer to it. I don't know if that's catching on camera. I'll wiggle it a little bit and hopefully you can see it. It's beautiful, very princessy without, I think, being too much. I find too much shimmer makes things look very almost plasticky, and I do not like that look in my fabric for my JSKs at all. We have got lace on the shoulder straps. Already my hair is falling out on it. And we have some lace on the front. We've got nice rose lace detailing going down, and then each tier has a row of lace. It's all very soft, very nice lace. It's not rough or itchy, especially the stuff on the strap, which is really good. It is not going to bother me. Back has some shirring, not all of it, just partial, but still that is gonna help it fit multiple sizes. And it's got some decent stretch to it, so that's nice. It does have waist ties. They are not detachable. They are sewed right in, so no finicky buttons to deal with. That's nice. Now, I am noticing right away that this definitely is quite a sheer material. I can see right through it. Now I can see my hand. Luckily, you don't not wear these with blouses. But if you wanted something cool in the summer and were being rebellious and not wearing a blouse, this dress would not work for that. You would see through it. It has got the one outer layer, which looks like multiple tiers, but really is just different flaps sewn on, which is fine. And then we have got a nice silky underlayer for the bottom, so the bottom won't be sheer. It's just the top. I like the corsetting down the front. I think that's quite nice. I'm gonna have to tie that up so the ribbons aren't loose when I put it on. Overall, very, very happy with this dress. It doesn't feel too cheap. It's definitely not like the highest quality material I've ever touched in my life, but it's nice, it's sturdy, a little see-through, but you know, whatever. White is so hard to not be see-through anyway. It's got a side zipper. It's one of the annoying ones. It always will be, so be it. Yeah, overall quite pleased with Diamond Honey so far. We'll see what it's like when I actually put it on. But first, what is in this package? Oh my God, okay, there's a lot here. Okay, so first up, it looks like we have a sheer, I don't know what these are called when you like put them over on your waist over the dress, like an overlay, like a little additional layer to make it even more princessy. That's cute. It is quite wrinkled from shipping, so I would have to, I guess, steam this because I feel like this is a material you can't iron before wearing it. We'll see if I do that before putting it on today, or if I guess I have to put it on today so you can get the whole image. I'm usually a little bad at these, mostly because I'm terrible at tying bows, which means this bow that ties it on always looked awful no matter what I do. But it's very soft. The inside edges are all finished and closed really small, so it's not gonna fray on you or anything. That's very nice. And it's been trimmed right down so there's not a lot of extra. It doesn't draw attention to the seam. Again, the lace is small, dainty, and not at all itchy. Decent quality, so that's nice. What else is in here? Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, so this is just a big square of lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and assume it's a veil. Again, all very, very soft. This is actually the softest of all the fabric so far. It's lovely. It's got little dots all over the fabric to give it a nice little design. Do I look nice? Do I look like a bride? I've never worn a proper veil with Lolita. I'll give it a try, I guess. Okay, and we have, oh, a big bow. That's nice. I'm personally, I guess you could put it on the front if you wanted. I think it would also make a nice butt bow. Who knows? It's cute. Again, same fabric from the overlay. We've got the shiny fabric for the bow with more lace on the edge. And it's cute. It's just a little tiny clip on here, but it is sewn in, probably the sturdiest I've ever seen one of these clips sewn in. Usually when I get them, it's like close to falling off, and I'm like, what the heck am I supposed to do with this? But this looks like it's actually gonna, actually gonna last. So I'm just seeing on the overlay, there is some brown staining on the lace, and I don't love that. What the heck? Ew. I guess it was actually just one big thing got caught and the other part of the lace was touching it. I'll try and come closer. I don't know if you can see that browning right there, but it's there, and I don't particularly love that. I've never had a dress come with like staining like that. I don't know what happened. So I'm glad I caught that now while we're still on camera. But yeah, that's not super awesome. I feel like I have to look everything over again, but I'm pretty sure that was the only bit. I think just a tiny bit of something got stuck in it and it was folded over so both parts are stained. It looks like that really is it, which is nice. I'd be really upset if there was a bunch of stains on this. That's still not awesome, but I can work with one stain. Oh, my veil has fallen. Now it's a shawl. That is as unboxed as we can get. Everything is out. So I'm gonna go ahead and change and we're gonna take a look at this on. I have changed and I have changed locations. So first up, how do people wear veils? I don't understand one bit. Is it just over the crown? And then you're like, oh, surprise, it's me. But then you can't see the crown. And like, if I just pin it under the crown in like a gathered up, you'll see the gathers right there on top of my head. And if I like spread it out under the crown, it's too big. It'll overtake my whole head. So I'm recruiting you guys. Tell me how you wear your veils. I don't know. I'm not getting married, so I don't know if I'll ever wear this with the outfit. It does on the listing describe it as like wedding-ish, which I don't know. I missed that the first time. And that's not what I was going for. I'm not getting married in this, just as like an FYI to everyone. But moving on to the rest of the outfit, it certainly looks great with the tiara, which was the whole point. So I'm feeling good about that. I will acknowledge I am absolutely not ready to cord this dress properly, considering it is all white and I've got an off-white peach blouse on, which is the only thing that would remotely work with this right now. So I definitely need to get one of these in like all white. I also wanted to see if you guys could catch, I'll come a bit closer, but if you notice it's very, very dark in this like area. That's my sports bra. That's how kind of sheer and see-through this thing is because I'm wearing a sheer blouse. You can see right through to my sports bra, and I left it like this to illustrate to you guys that it is not the thickest material. So be prepared to either wear like a super white or peach bra or sports bra or whatever you wear underneath, binder, doesn't matter, whatever you get under there. And that, or you need to find a blouse that is like not also sheer material like I have done. I put the overlay on. Definitely, again, you'd have to steam it out. I know it is very, very wrinkled. It's just for the whole cord together. I did not want to do any ironing or steaming today. I think it makes me look kind of bulky. Like it just like sticks out a little bit from the dress. I don't know. We're gonna take it off in a moment and you can like see the difference. It's definitely a butt bow. I checked the listings. And as well, I found this tiny little bow that must have fallen when I opened the package. And I just stuck it here on the front to hide my terrible bow tying. Let's try it. Let's try it without the layer. Let's see what it looks like, huh? We pinned the butt bow to the layer, so that's also going. And by we, I mean my roommate Lucy. I didn't pin it. I can't pin anything. But okay, this is it without the overall layer, which I think is a very nice look still. Obviously, other than the peach blouse, we've already talked about that. Other than the fact that the top's a little bit see-through, everything else about this is quite nice. It's very comfortable. It flows nicely. It's not too heavy, so my petticoat gives it some good poof. I wonder if my massive one could fit under it, because this is a lot of fabric. Maybe I'll try that one day when I cord it again. Who knows? It was super easy to get on. I could even do the zipper up myself, which almost never happens with Lolita dresses. So that was crazy exciting. And otherwise, I think she's cute. I think it'll be a very nice summery dress with all the shimmers in it, personally. I mean, also it could be winter. I could do like an ice thing. Realistically, I could wear this whenever. I don't follow any rules. I don't know what to do with this. Should I turn it into like my old lady shawl for modesty? Ooh, a look. I don't know. If I'm wearing a tiara, I definitely do not want anything to like distract from the tiara. So I don't think it should be on my head. But otherwise, that is it for our Diamond Honey unboxing today. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know what you think of this dress, and please tell me what I should do with this veil or shawl thing. Give me advice. I have no idea. And hopefully I get my hands on a blouse that works with this so that I can wear it as a proper outfit soon. That would be exciting. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.